Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the JavaScript destructuring objects. So let's begin the tutorial. JavaScript object destructuring. So there are, so let's take an example. You will get to know about this. So we have const object name like student object we are creating with two variables that is called first name that is we have the next one last name. Last name gonna be this is object. Let's console it. So this is object. We're going to console it, save it, reload this. So object we are getting. Okay. So suppose sometime we are going to assign it. So how we are going to assign it? Var f name equals to object dot first name, okay, and var last name equals to object dot last name. Okay, if I'm going to console.log, we are going to print the first name, last name that is in the object, that is Rajnikant and George. It's going to be print with linkers. So if I'm going to do that, this is printing the first name and last name because we are already assigning, right? So this way we are assigning and get the values and console it, correct? So in the ECMA 6, they have produced new syntax for the modern JavaScript. So that is called the object destructuring. So how we are going to define it? So let's take a syntax. You can define const or right here. So I'm going to define first name, comma, last name with object. I'm assigning the full object to it, and I will get it using console.log an object first name. Here I'm going to getting the first name, and here I'm going to get the last name. Okay. So here I'm getting the both first name and last name. So first name and the last name. So you can see here we are consuming how much line? Two lines, right? So here I'm consuming only the one line. So assignment operator take, so to shorten the code or to make the use of that syntax very accurately, or in the modern JavaScript, we have used object destructuring pattern so that you will get the variables and assignment with the help of this one, right? I hope you understand how you by doing this. I in the latest modern JavaScript, you can use this way to assign the values to an object and console it, right? So I hope you understand what about the JavaScript object structuring, and it is very helpful in the React JS, because in that format, if you see or you will do that in the coding, like this dot props, we are assigning all the objects over here, and we will just get the like variable and just console it or get use that variable in the code. So hope you understand what is object structuring and how we can write in the modern JavaScript. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.